We got an idea and that was a steal! Konnichiwa!
Ain't no love like a real love, but it goes so fast.
Hey yo, it's me again, guys. And also make sure to subscribe, like, and also share to your friends. So today we're unboxing a new box or package. Hey yo, it's me again, my favorite fans. And also, how you guys doing? I hope you have a great year today, because finally 2020 is over. I'm happy that it's already over. But anyways, I found some my mom or me, we both found some gadgets on Amazon, and it's also Republic Day, I think. Don't remember, but I also found some gadgets, and I'll do a separate video for each one of them. So let's start with the first one. Let's get on to the video.
Hello, hello, can you hear me as I scream your name? Hello, hello.
Okay, so there's actually a clue to this. It starts with H. So some of you guys might watch the past video, okay? Oh yes, my favorite song is here, but it's okay. Let's just move on. It's right here, I think. Okay. It's very slippery. It's kind of annoying, but whatever. Don't know why FNAF came up to my mind already. Oh!
One eternity later.
Oh my god, this is headphones. Okay, let's see how satisfying this could be. Wait, I don't know how this came to my left hand, but this is actually a headphone, and let me show you this. It looks really pretty. Looks kind of unique. I don't know if I saw this before somewhere. And okay, let's open it. Okay, this is going to be satisfying. That was not satisfying at all, but I think it was satisfying for you guys. So, And also this is called pTron headphones. Oh yeah, it's pTron headphones. So it's really cool. Yeah, okay, it's kind of stuck, but I'm gonna get it out. Let's move on to the highlights of the product, aka more info about it. So let's start. It has 10mm powerful drivers. It has passive noise cancellation, which is pretty cool, with inline remote control. It is durable. It is 1.2 meters long. Very long, right? And it's absolutely tangle free because it's 1.2 meters and it doesn't really get tangled. I don't really know the science behind this headphone, but it's pretty cool. See, I want to prove you something. It is totally tangle free, which is cool. It might get curly, but at least it's tangle free. Normal headphones get tangled up a lot, and I can't stand the pain. It would take me hours to untangle it. So thank God I bought this one, which is really useful, and you can hear any kind of song. It comes with black and red combination because it's really cool, and black and red are my favorite colors, you know, guys. So let's move on. More info about this little guy. Cool. It has soft silicone earbuds. As you guys, I'm squishing the silicone buds because you know why it's very soft, because it is supposed to keep your ears soft, and other like headphones are kind of hurting your ears, you know. So if you really want soft ears, then take this. This is the perfect item for your ears. Now let's move on to the next one. It is very lightweight, of course. It's not like an elephant, so it's pretty cool. It's very lightweight. It has a secure fit. One more thing about this, if you're walking or jogging or on a treadmill, it's pretty useful and it doesn't fall off. Which, let's move on to the next one, huh? I don't know why I like this pose a lot. And we guys got this on a deal, and that was a steal. We got it on a deal, and that was a steal. Konnichiwa. We got this on 179 during on sale. Like, how lucky we can be. So get these headphones really quick while on sale. And I also think the current offer is 200, which is a very good deal. My God. Oh, I tested the sound quality and sounds amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed. It sounds really good. You guys should check it out. Also buy this. Link in the description. And also guys, we finally came to the video. This video was short, but I had a lot of fun making it. So guys, make sure to love that like button, that subscribe button, and that share button. And also share to your friends if they want to buy these bad boys. And also, see you guys later. Good night, afternoon, or morning. Bye! Konnichiwa in my next video.